Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 still my 21 days video challenge, and today we'll be looking at the last important factor a home needs to thrive, and that is unity. The idea of unity is to build a stronger together. Unity is required for the long-term survival of a home. The Bible makes it clear. It says every city or house divided against itself will not stand. So when there is no unity in a home, that home is ready to collapse. One of the characteristics of a home where there is unity is that there is mutual respect. They have the same values, they share the same identity, and it is a home where they work together as a team. There is teamwork in such a home. Now, what are the ways we can cultivate unity in our homes? So, in my previous videos, I've talked about one of the things that a home needs to thrive as love, peace, and joy. These three elements also help to facilitate unity. However, another way that a home can sustain unity is agreement. So I'll say that parents need to always have a unified decision. Two cannot work together except they agree. So in making decisions in front of your children, maybe there is a problem arising, parents should always try to have the same idea, the same decision in front of their children. So for example, if a parent should correct a child about a particular thing, and at that moment it is not for the other parent to say no, don't do it this way. You can go behind bars to say, next time this is how to correct this child. And that is why parents also need to come together to have a structure, or make a structure on how you want to discipline your children. Come to an agreement, this is what and what we will say to them, and this is what and what we will do when they do this. So it is good to have an agreed way to discipline your children. And another thing I want to that brings about disunity in a home is when parents try to take side of a particular child and trying to take side for some children. Those kind of things. Maybe there is a when there is a siblings rivalry, and maybe they just disagree between themselves. Please don't take side. Don't try to support this child and put blame on the other child. That brings about disunity in the home. It starts creating the children. Some of them will say, I love my dad more than my mom. It is not good enough. So you can only point out the errors. This is where you got it wrong, and also point out the errors of the other person and try to create a balance. Equate the same discipline you give to this child, give that same discipline to the other person. Let the love be equal. Equate the love. I know sometimes it is difficult, especially when you have some children are very disobedient, but it has to be something intentional. Creating unity is something that you have to do intentionally. Remind yourself that you want to have a family where we are bonded together and united in love. So you have to be intentional. Constantly remind yourself, don't take sides for any of your children. Let it look like you are solving a problem, not putting blames or trying to figure out who got it wrong and who is right. So another way to create a family bond, I think I've talked about it, is to have family values. Family values. This is our family values, and anytime anybody is able to improve or abide by this value, celebrate them no matter how little it is. It is a good and pleasurable thing for a home to dwell in unity. It is one of the things I enjoyed in the home I grew up. Up till now, I and my siblings we still dwell in love, in peace, and in unity, even in our differences. I'll leave us with this scripture. It says, behold, how good and pleasurable and pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. So it is a good thing. Let's try to create unity in our home, and let's work together as one. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.